Hey everyone, welcome back to Lyra Tech. Today we're looking at the Tasaca T500-V58 electric dirt bike, built for teens and adults. Check the link in the description for the best price. This bike boasts some serious power, so let's dive into what it can do. Let's see how this electric dirt bike performs with its powerful motor and off-road features. The heart of this electric dirt bike is its powerful 5,500 watts motor, delivering a massive 276 Nm of torque for serious climbing and rough terrain. It reaches speeds up to 52 miles per hour, promising thrilling rides for experienced users. The 5,500 watts motor is a real beast, providing significant power and 276 Nm of torque for climbing those tough hills. Reaching speeds over 52 miles per hour means this bike offers a genuinely fast experience for your off-road adventures. This bike is designed to conquer steep slopes and rough terrain, making it a capable machine for serious off-roading. This electric dirt bike offers formidable power, making it excellent for tackling challenging off-road conditions and inclines. Let's assess the daily usability and long-term ownership aspects of this electric dirt bike. Ride comfort is addressed with hydraulic air shock absorbers, and the all-terrain tires provide grip. However, the substantial battery charge time and the need to check local laws are important ownership factors. The 52 volts 30Ah battery provides good range, but you'll be waiting 6 to 8 hours for a full charge. Featuring hydraulic air shock absorbers, this bike promises a comfortable and stable ride even over rough off-road terrain. You get durable, puncture-resistant all-terrain tires paired with reliable sealed hydraulic disc brakes for safe stopping. Remember to check local laws regarding riding age and licensing, and pay close attention during assembly. Comfortable suspension and durable tires enhance the riding experience, though the battery's long charge time requires planning. So, the Tasaca T500-V58 is a really exciting electric dirt bike that brings serious performance to the table. It handles tough terrain and steep hills with ease thanks to its powerful motor and torque. Just be prepared for that longer charge time, and make sure you're good to go with local regulations before you hit the trails. It's a fun machine for the right rider.